In today's video, we're going to scan for short squeeze stocks completely free. Anyone can do this on any broker platform or website. I'm going to take you through my favorite, and it's literally a few steps. So let's first go and open up a website here, and we'll start a new page, and it is finviz.com. I have no affiliation with it. It's completely free. I think they have a section where you can pay with no ads. But it is F-I-N-V-I-Z. And on the top left here, you will see a tab called Screener. So let's click that. Now, this will give you description, fundamentals, technical, and all. And pardon the ads here. And it will start here. So the first thing I want to do, is go to the float short. It's right here in the middle. I'll actually highlight it to make it easy to see. And we will click on that. So we'll go to float short here. And what I'm going to do is go to over 25%. You can do over 30%. I just want to include everything as well. And then what it will do is it will filter. We have 97 total here. It will filter via alphabetical order, or when the market opens up, which is in about 15 minutes, you can actually double click right here on volume, and it will show you based on volume. The next thing I want to do is see what names, or actually, I could go by market cap to see what are the biggest names. So, Rocket Mortgage, we have Carvana, and some other names here, GDRX, GameStop, as we've been hearing about in the news a lot, and such. But since I'm an options trader, I want to go to optionable shortable, and I want to go to optionable too, because that's really what has caused that gamma squeeze. And you can see 88 right here out of the 97 are optionable. So if you trade options, that gives you a bonus here. Now, the next thing you want to do is look at these names. If you hover over them, you can see the chart like Virgin Galactic, Nikola, WB, Beyond Meat, and such like that to give you an idea. And if you click on it, so let's click on actually Rocket Companies, mortgage name. And if you click on it, it will actually give you, again, pardon the ads, it will actually give you the short float. Now, what I look for here in short float is the higher the short float, okay, like if you look at GameStop and some other names, that gives the stock, in my opinion, more potential for a squeeze. A squeeze is when the stock short squeeze is higher. And the reason behind that is if that short float has a high percentage, right now what we're seeing is those shorts have to cover the people who sold stock, who bet against the company. And they have to cover, and that's what we've seen with parabolic moves, like in the new darling of Wall Street, or undarling, I guess I should say, in GameStop. So you see about 122% short float there. So a little tip here that you can use, I like using FinViz besides the pop-ups. It's just easy to do. It's a website. Again, you can upgrade. I get no commission or affiliation with them. But check it out. Let me know what other websites you like using and what stocks you're trading here, because it is probably one of the craziest markets I've ever seen, but I absolutely love it here. So leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.